Hello, and welcome to Vinchin. In this video, you will learn how to create backup and restore jobs for oVirt VM in Vinchin Backup and Recovery. To back up oVirt VM agentlessly, you need to add the host first. Just click Resources, Virtual Infrastructure, Virtual Platform. Click Add. Enter the credentials of the host. Click License to finish configuration. Go to VM Backup. Click Backup. Select the oVirt VM to backup. Select the backup storage for it. Select the backup strategies. You can select full backup, incremental backup, and set up schedules for them. Also, there are other useful strategies like data deduplication, data compression, and land-free backup. CBT. Just submit the job. Let's start the job. Now the backup job has been finished. Let's check the backup data. The backup has been created successfully. When we need to restore the VM, go to Restore. Just select the recovery point. Select the target host. And you can simply configure the new VM here. Select Strategies or directly click Next. Submit the job. Now the restore job begins. Now it has been finished. Let's check the new VM in oVirt. It has been restored to this host. It's working. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.